So hello all, again welcome to the very another set of series. So today we will be beginning our project's journey, right? So in the last week we have covered the entire ML and AI part, the entire deep learning part in detail, based on your numeric set of data sets, based on your image set of data set, based on your textual set of data set. We have built the entire conceptual understanding. We have seen the theory part, we have seen the implementation part, that how we can apply ML into day-to-day life. Now, projects is the most important part. It is the real heart of your ML system, right? So that from now you will be onboarding your journey as an AI and ML engineer. The very first task is that if you join any team in the industries or in a research area, people will going to give you the data. Now you will be given some scenario, you will be given some projects, and based on that you need to come up with some good quality solution. So how will you understand, how will you think all these things, right? That is why I have curated the entire lecture. From now in the next upcoming days, you will see how to build the entire ML projects for the industry showcase, and how you can use your raw data set that has been given by your team or even you have collected by yourself, how you can build ML projects so that you can showcase, you can give the solution, the very right kind of a solution to the real world, right? So let's understand, okay, let's understand the journey of projects, right? I have selected 2 or 3 projects just to show you, so that I can train you how to build a clear ML projects in a very easiest format. My agenda is from the day one is being very clear that I would like to deliver the entire complex thing in a very easiest way possible. So let's understand the project journey, and let's begin with the new set of videos. Okay.